these clouds. Them on film. I never saw clouds quite like this early in the morning. There's some dark ones over there. You can see the difference. Gonna go all around the sky. It was a lens flare. That's all it was. I don't think this is work, but anybody that wants to try it, they might find that it's work. Especially when you're out along the riverbank and you think a bear's coming at you, or I don't know what I saw the other night. I don't get scared easy, but it was up on railroad tracks and I saw it, and it was moving fast, and it was twice the size of me. And I'm 6'6", so well, that star's back now. You can barely see it, but you see it blinking. It's definitely a star. It's not an airplane. I wouldn't lie about that. I don't think I can lie about anything anymore. I wish I could. My buddies.
Where is it?
It's running across the parking lot over there. That's the strange thing. They throw their voice. They hatch their babies on the ground, and they can throw their sounds, their voice, especially they know where to go. That's why you'll see them next to buildings and stuff, because of the echo. That's why they like it. Plus they can get their feed in the gravel and stuff, whatever they eat, I don't know, but probably bugs. But they will lay their eggs on the ground, and to protect their babies, they'll be a decoy. Not only will they decoy them, they can run like a road runner, but they they can throw their voice and make it sound like they're flying overhead. I swear I never saw nothing like it. I just noticing this stuff myself, but they throw their voice. It makes them sound like they're in another place, and they don't move. You rarely see them, but if you see them, they kind of look like a sandpiper, I guess you'd say. I don't know. Not real long-legged things, but they can run fast. See, I see right there. That's more than the light that should be there. It's 4:30 in the morning. The sun's coming up. In the summer months, and this month, that sun shouldn't be up till almost 8 in the morning. That sun shouldn't appear over the horizon until 8 in the morning, or probably later than that even. Now we got to think, in the winter, it's when the sun, the nights are shorter. Well, these nights aren't even adding up to 8 hours. It was daylight or fairly light out at 9 o'clock. Okay, it's not even 5, and that sun will be coming up at 5:30. So it's a beautiful world, but it's a little confusing right now. I'm sitting there meditating. People think I'm crazy, and they're wrong. I'm a psycho. Absolute psychopath. At least that's what I'm. See that over here? It appears to be smoke. That's what I'm seeing. That's smoke. Yep. 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 That's pretty. I can smell the sulfur. I can smell the iron oxide in the air. This is wow. Wow. What is going on? See it? See all that red? That's iron oxide. That's smoke. That's all smoke. The dark, what looks like clouds is smoke. So that's been right around here tonight and I missed it. It shouldn't be far, it's fast. I've seen it 20 times. Yeah, that's smoke. This is the shit they're hiding with the contrails. That right there's a planet. Right there, that's a planet. There's the moon. Let's see how big that is, right? Okay. That's smoke going all the way around there. So that will be hiding behind some of these clouds. It'll look like smoke. I mean, some of the smoke, it looks like clouds. You can see it permeating. You can see it permeating there. Permeating the air with it. Okay. Keep putting people's houses on there, they don't appreciate that. Nope, that's why. Okay, right there. And it does turn too. I've seen it turn in the air. Yeah, you can see. See, if you look, okay, past those, I'm gonna zoom in. See that wall? That's not trees. Right in the middle, that's the middle going up there, above that light in the middle. That's not trees. That's clouds or smoke hiding that thing. You can see you can see its path around, and it's permeating. You can see the pink, or whatever you want to call it. Hell, I don't know. Yep, I can see the red over there now. See the red in the sky. It doesn't light up the sky like you would think. In fact, it looks like a white light sometimes. Yeah. I still think it's as far as that goes, it's like it's the government doing this. The iron oxide, I don't know. But it turns, I know that, whatever it is. It looks like it has two wings of smoke coming off of it. And I don't know what the hell happened to the videos, but I had it. It looked like an eye in the middle, just one eye at one time. And sometimes it looks like two different things with two eyes. But it's always got two tails. Two like wing looking tails that it'll turn into one. See that smoke there? That's smoke. And that one smoke dissipates or whatever, then you see the red of the iron oxide. See, the sun isn't risen yet. There's the moon. That sun will be up right by that moon soon. That's why people are saying all the stupid shit like a fake moon and that. It's not that bizarre to me to think it's a fake moon. It's so strange too, because you look in the middle, it almost looks like a forest past that, like that's trees. That's not trees. That's very far away. That's clouds. This is insane, man.